All right, so we have an ant that goes halfway around the circle as shown, and I tell you where it starts and where it ends. First, before we even do any calculations, we want to define the difference between distance and displacement. So distance, if we're going to write that out carefully, is the total length of the path traveled. And in this case, that would be this whole semi-circumference that the ant covers. Now, displacement is going to be just the final position minus the initial position. So the ant ends here, having started from here, and we just look at the straight line path from start to end. So we calculate its displacement once it's gone halfway down the circle, and when we look here, that's actually just twice the radius, and so that's going to be 6 meters, and I would say to the left, just so I know that I have a direction attached to it. Now the total distance, well, the total circumference of the circle is 2 pi r, but we're dealing with only half of that circumference. So that's going to be 3 times pi, because r equals 3, the radius. And I think when we actually get that result, I'm going to round here, it's about 9.42 meters. And then here it says if it takes about 3 pi, if it takes pi seconds to go around the circle, calculate the average velocity. So again, average velocity is going to be the displacement over the time, and that's going to be 6 divided by pi. We can actually work that out if we choose. I'll actually just get a number for that. So 6 divided by pi gives me about 1.91 meters per second versus the average speed. Speed is going to be the distance over the time. And I'm just going to take the 3 pi from above. I'll divide it by pi. And that's going to give me 3 meters per second. One small thing I just wanted to point out before I wrap up this page is if you look here on the front sheet with the formulas, I give you the formula for circumference, and I also give you the displacement definition, the definition of average velocity, and the definition of average speed. So you have those available to you on your formula sheet to help you calculate. So that is question number 4.